Okay. This is the first time that we will celebrate the 20th year, I guess. It's a migrant and immigrant celebration here in Taiwan. It's actually in Taipei, Taoyuan, on September 21. That's why we're preparing. And actually, this is the fourth Sunday. We're dancing here every Sunday after Mass. I have four siblings, three sisters and one brother. My father is a carpenter and my mother is a housewife. I'm a breadwinner. I help my mother and father, my siblings, because sister, my oldest sister, have a baby, and my other sister have a baby also. That's why I'm the one helping them. One day, I decided to stop in college because my mother and father don't have money to support me. And then I think that I don't want my brother and sisters to experience what I experienced. I said to myself, I need to work. And then I go here in Taiwan when I'm 22 years old. Good morning. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Ganun na kailangan ng mga... In the Philippines, we're sleeping in the small room. But here, I'm just only one. It's dark. It's when you're going to work, it's okay. You can talk to the Taiwanese, to co-worker Filipino. And when you go get in your home, in my dormitory, it was so hard because when you enter the door, there's no for you. There's no people. There's no sister, mother that will ask you, how's your day? That's why it's so sad. It's so lonely. It's so hard.
I think that's one thing that the Filipinos miss so much in the Philippines, because most of them, maybe 95% of the workers here, 90% are Catholics in the Philippines. So I think one thing that they miss really a lot are the celebrations, the festivals in the Philippines. So in this church, they are able to express it. They're able to experience it once again. It's like they are in the Philippines. So we have our Christmas Misa, which is very famous in the Philippines. So we do it here, and then they come here for 9 days, morning and evening, to celebrate the Mass. So I think that's one thing that I saw in them. That even if they are far from the Philippines, although not really far, we're just only 2 hours from the Philippines, so not really far. But of course, if you're in the Philippines, you just ride the bus, ride somewhere. But here, they cannot go home.
What I know about Taiwanese, when you're crying, it's a little big deal to them. That's why. But me, I'm always crying, mother, like that. That's why I came here just to cry, to pray. That day when I came here in the church, my everyday routine changed everything. I will go here if I don't want to stay in my room. If I don't want to be alone, I just want to talk to other people. I go here. This is my home.